All right, you got to get some parts. The first is a 3/4 inch 5-foot piece of black pipe, a 3/4 inch floor flange, a small rig clamp mount, a 6 foot 6 2x4, and a 5 foot 2x8. So I kind of glossed over the cutting part and didn't really add the measurements in because you're going to build this to what your specifications would be. So your first step, it's a crazy one. Get two 2x4s, toenail them into your 2x8s, and then you just kind of wedge that extra piece of 2x4 in there so that you get an idea of the distance you'll need to slide the big arm, or boom as they call it in the industry, in there, just like that. Yeah, look at that. Run a couple 4-inch screws in to get that guy in place. And I ran a bunch in because I didn't want that going anywhere. Added a couple kickers. Now, those I just ripped some scrap plywood. And so, whatever length you're comfortable with, whatever you have laying around, doesn't have to be crazy. Use some 1-inch screws. Get your, make sure they either have a washer or a big head. Get your flange on. Thread your pipe in. Yeah, make sure you get that pre-threaded kind. Stand it up, and it should be like, mine's like almost 7 foot tall. And you can see that I'm not 7 foot tall like a lot of people thought I was. I added those little feet on just so that it had a extra space. Attach my clamp, and there it is. There's a first video of the new overhead clamp. I dumped screws out and I put them back in. Cool thing is that camera is paired with the iPad, so I could actually see what I'm doing and maybe make better content going forward. All right, take it easy.